We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
The benefit of having 8 GB of RAM over 4 GB of RAM is that you can do more than browse the internet. If you are using more than 4 GB of memory, then upgrading to 8 GB of RAM will speed things up, because the page system isn't spending as much time pulling information from the hard drive.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.